Good morning, Tweakies. It is currently 7 in the morning. And we're getting our oil change done, and hopefully they can slap on my winter tires for me, because I just picked up the winter tires yesterday, as you guys saw. So I'm gonna assume they can put it on, because if they can't, that's a fucking joke. But I feel like they just need to be rebalanced a bit, because they look like it looks like they're balanced because they have the little magnets and shit on them. But I still feel like it should be balanced again. I don't know. I'm not a fucking tire guy or a mechanic, so comment below if I'm retarded and you don't have to rebalance tires once they're balanced. But like, I don't know, one of those little weights can just fucking fall off, and then what? This shit's not balanced no more. So yeah, we still got about 40 minutes. It is far, plus I live in the middle of buttfuck nowhere now, so it doesn't really help. But yeah, I took this way because I've never been this way, so hopefully it's a good route. Look at that nice little sunrise trying to come in though. It's pretty beautiful. Look at this fucking house. He's an ESA guy. Don't fucking piss me off. Smells like cows. Car's not flying as quick as normal with all the weight in the back of these fucking tires. How much do you think a winter tire weighs? Alright guys, just this is why the country's better, like, come on. Like that, I could stare at that all fucking day, guys. Alright guys, let's get the fuck in there, see what they say. I feel like I'm gonna be waiting a while. I got manual, obviously. So I'm gonna buy this one. Oh, that's great. That looks fucked. I thought they came with carbon. There she is. They actually cleaned it up a bit. Tried to. It looked a whole lot shittier than this, I'll tell you that for free. Jeez. It is way too fucking cold out there, guys. Looks like buddy cleaned my steering wheel too. Respects! Shitty I couldn't get the rims on and the tires because I want them on today, but it's gonna be fine, brother.